Welcome to Review Lab. The best Sony FX3 is probably one of the most sought-after cinema cameras for solo creators and small teams, offering a remarkable blend of professional video features in a compact, user-friendly body that truly bridges the gap between high-end cinema cameras and more traditional mirrorless options, making it an incredibly versatile tool for a wide range of productions. Number 5. Altura Photo Camera Rain Cover. Unlike flimsy plastic covers, this one is made from durable, waterproof nylon that stays in place. It offers maximum protection from rain, snow, and dust without getting in the way of your shot. Reach your camera controls, zoom, and shutter easily through the adjustable hand sleeves. The full-length double zipper gives you complete access, whether you're hand-holding or using a tripod. An exterior strap and interior rubber grips keep it securely attached to your lens, preventing any slipping or rotation. It's easy to install and remove, fitting most cameras and lenses up to 8 inches. This cover is designed to fit most DSLR and mirrorless cameras with lenses up to 8 inches. It works with popular brands like Canon, Nikon, and Sony, ensuring a great fit for your gear. It folds completely flat, taking up minimal space in your bag. Setup is incredibly fast, allowing you to protect your camera from sudden weather changes without missing a moment. You can keep shooting hands-free in any condition thanks to its tripod mount compatibility. It also works with a lens hood attached for enhanced protection and fit. What we like. This camera rain cover is built for active shooting in harsh weather. Its durable waterproof nylon construction and secure lens fit ensure maximum protection without collapsing. If you are a professional photographer who frequently shoots outdoors in rain or snow and needs reliable gear that won't interfere with your shot, you should consider this. What people say. The Sony FX3 is a compact and lightweight cinema camera that is perfect for run-and-gun shooting. It features a 12.1 MP full-frame sensor with a wide dynamic range and excellent low-light performance. The camera's autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, with features like real-time IAF and subject tracking. Number 4. KNF Concept MP FC100 Battery and Charger Kit. Never miss a moment with this 3-pack of high-capacity batteries. They provide extended shooting time, ensuring you have the power you need for any adventure. Charge all 3 batteries simultaneously with our upgraded LCD charger. It displays the charging status clearly and fully charges them in just 6 hours. These batteries are fully decoded and designed to work perfectly with a wide range of Sony cameras. Enjoy reliable performance without any compatibility issues. Power up your charger using either a micro USB or Type-C port. It's easily compatible with various power sources like power banks and laptops for charging on the go. Your camera's safety is our priority. This kit includes built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating for worry-free charging. With reliable power and efficient charging, you can focus on capturing stunning photos and videos. This kit is your perfect companion for any shooting scenario. What we like. This battery and charger set offers an extended shooting experience with 3 high-capacity batteries. The efficient 3-slot charger with an LCD display allows for simultaneous charging, ensuring you're always powered up. If you're a content creator or traveler who often finds themselves away from power sources for extended periods and needs reliable, long-lasting power for your Sony camera, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Sony FX3 is a compact and lightweight cinema camera that is perfect for solo shooters and small crews. It features a full-frame sensor, 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, and a wide dynamic range, making it ideal for professional video production. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, with features like real-time IAF and subject tracking. Number 3. DJI RS4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the DJI RS4, designed for seamless content creation. It features a new horizontal plate that easily switches to a vertical position, allowing you to capture stunning vertical shots without any extra accessories. Take full control of your shots with the joystick mode switch. Effortlessly toggle between PF, PTF, and FPV modes, and customize FPV to suit your specific shooting needs for ultimate precision. Experience ultra-precise balancing thanks to the Teflon-coated axis arms. This coating on all three axes significantly reduces friction, ensuring your camera is always perfectly balanced. With an extended tilt axis, this stabilizer offers more balancing space. It can comfortably support mainstream mirrorless camera and lens combinations, even those with higher payloads. Connect and expand your setup with the new RSA communication port. It allows for seamless integration with a variety of accessories, including specialized handles, to enhance your workflow. Power through your longest shoots with the optional high-capacity battery grip. It dramatically extends runtime and even supports powering your camera and accessories. What we like. This gimbal stabilizer is designed for effortless content creation with its second-gen native vertical shooting capabilities. The Teflon-coated axis arms ensure smoother balancing, and the RSA port allows for an extensive control ecosystem. If you are a videographer focused on social media content or require quick, seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical formats, this gimbal will streamline your workflow. What people say. The Sony FX3 is a compact and lightweight cinema camera that is perfect for solo shooters and small crews. It features a full-frame sensor that delivers excellent image quality, even in low light conditions. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, making it easy to track subjects and maintain focus. Number 2. KNF Concept NP-FZ100 Battery and Charger Set for Sony. Never miss a shot with our high-capacity 2280 mAh batteries. They provide long-lasting, reliable power for your Sony camera, ensuring you can shoot for longer without interruption. Designed for a wide range of Sony Alpha and Cinema line cameras, these batteries offer perfect compatibility. You can trust them to work seamlessly with your existing gear. Our intelligent dual-slot charger lets you power up two batteries simultaneously. With versatile Type-C and micro-USB inputs, charging is convenient from almost any power source. Your safety is our priority. The charger and batteries are built with multiple protection features, guarding against overcharging, overheating, and other potential hazards. This comprehensive backup kit includes everything you need: 2 high-capacity batteries, a dual-slot charger, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. It's also FCC CE RoHS certified for your peace of mind. What we like. This battery and charger set provides a reliable backup power solution for your Sony camera. It includes 2 high-capacity batteries and a dual-slot charger with versatile input options. If you are a photographer or videographer who needs a dependable and convenient way to keep your camera powered during long shoots or while traveling, this kit offers great value and flexibility. What people say. The Sony FX3 is a compact and lightweight cinema camera that is ideal for solo shooters and small crews. It features a full-frame sensor with excellent low-light performance, producing clean images even at high ISOs. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, with features like real-time IAF and subject tracking that make it easy to keep your subject in focus. Number 1. Sony FE24mm f1.4 GM Wide Prime Lens. Introducing the Sony FE24mm f1.4 GM, a compact wide prime lens. It offers stunning resolution even at its widest aperture. With a maximum aperture of f1.4, this lens provides exceptional exposure control. It also allows for incredible depth of field effects. Experience the G Master design, which masterfully blends extraordinary sharpness with beautifully smooth bokeh. Featuring 2 XA, extreme aspherical, elements, it delivers natural, lifelike results with high resolution. This lens comes complete with a hood, front and rear caps, and a protective case for your convenience. What we like. This is a compact wide-angle prime lens that delivers stunning resolution even at its wide-open f1.4 aperture. Its G Master design ensures exceptional sharpness combined with beautiful bokeh. If you are a landscape, astrophotographer, or event shooter who prioritizes image quality, low-light performance, and artistic depth of field, this lens is an outstanding choice for capturing breathtaking visuals. What people say. The Sony FX3 is a compact and lightweight cinema camera that is perfect for solo shooters and small crews. It features a full-frame sensor with excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for shooting in challenging conditions. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, with features like real-time IAF and subject tracking that ensure sharp focus even when subjects are moving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.